Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best lightning cables in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Amazon Basics Nylon USB-A to Lightning Cable. This lightning cable is a more affordable MFI certified option in case our other picks seem a bit too pricey. With braided nylon for added durability and an additional layer of protection to the connectors to prevent fraying, it's a straightforward cable you can quickly throw in your bag and use in any situation. It isn't perfect, but you get the quality of a more expensive cable which should last your iPhone's lifetime at a very nice price. This lightning cable is available in 3-foot and 6-foot variants. It comes in 4 colors: gray, red, rose, and silver. This iPhone charging cable uses Apple's original C89 smart chip to recognize and connect to your Apple devices immediately. MFI certified cables provide a safe and stable charging solution for your devices. Wide diameter wires and reduced cord resistance maximize charging speed, supports up to 2.4 amps charging current. Number 2. Our second best pick is Anker Powerline Plus 2 Lightning Cable. If you need a cable that can stretch from a faraway outlet to a couch or bed, it is 10 feet long, giving you plenty of freedom while charging. Like its successor, it features a braided nylon outer layer and is rated to withstand 30,000 bends. It also features tensile strength capable of withstanding 175 pounds, not that you'd ever stretch it like that. Charge from clear across the room while relaxing with an extended 10-foot range. MFI certified for flawless compatibility with Lightning devices, ensuring the highest possible charging speeds. As an older model, it has a couple of disadvantages. It only comes as a USB-A to Lightning cable. Since it doesn't support USB-C, that means no fast charging at a distance. This cable is available in black, red, silver, and gold. Number 3. Our third best pick is Anker USB-C to Lightning Cable. USB-C isn't the only port, but, with its conveniently reversible interface, it has become the modern standard of choice, even in Apple laptops, RIP Thunderbolt. For that reason, our best overall pick is a USB-C to Lightning cable. And this cable has everything we look for in a well-rounded charging cable, including MFI certification, support for fast charging, a braided nylon outer layer, and a 35,000 bend lifespan. It's very durable, with a rust-proof connector and curved steel design that protects the lightning connection points, making them more resistant to drops and other everyday nicks. This cable is available in 3-foot and 6-foot options in black, red, silver, and gold. Transfer movies, music, or an entire photo library in seconds with 480 megabits per second transfer speeds. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Native Union Belt Cable. This cable is another excellent USB-C to Lightning cable that's MFI certified and features braided nylon for increased durability. The cable also features an O-flex cutout near the end to give it more flexibility right where the cable meets the connector, to deal with strenuous bends. Native Union's cable is another straightforward option that supports fast charging and stays tangle-free with the help of a genuine leather strap, so you can keep the cable compact when transporting it in your bag. The 4-foot cable is also available as a USB-A to Lightning cable and comes in a few stylish colorways, including zebra, Cosmos, Rose, Indigo, and Sage. These cables are MFi certified, giving you peace of mind that they will be compatible with any of your Lightning devices. Each cable is given a unique serial number, and every Lightning connector contains an authorization chip that your device recognizes, so you know you have the real deal. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Nomad Kevlar Lightning Cable. This lightning cable is made for people who have had bad luck with fraying cables. It has a double-braided sheath made from Kevlar, which is heat-resistant and 5 times stronger than steel. You may know the material for its starring role in bulletproof vests. Nomad's cable supports fast charging when paired with the correct power adapter, bringing an iPhone battery from 0% to 50% in 30 minutes. It also includes an integrated cable tie made of liquid silicone rubber, so you can keep it coiled. Adding Kevlar isn't cheap, apparently, as this cable is the most expensive option on our list. Then again, it should be the only Lightning cable you'll ever need. This Lightning is available as either a USB-C to Lightning or USB-A to Lightning cable, with 5-foot and 10-foot variants. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.